stall that you see over here is a combined effort by us and our stockist, Mrs. Jyoti Electricals. So Wipro is the leader in commercial lighting and in indoor lighting for offices across the country. We are the leaders in India. This stall which you see over here, we have demonstrated two lines of products. One is the normal, the conventional fittings, and one is the LED fittings. So as you know, like today energy conservation is one of the prime things that people are looking into. So over here we have demonstrated the concept of an LED. So LED as a product is consuming half the wattage of a normal CFL light for the same kind of light output. So if you can see, the products which are demonstrated here are all LED fittings, which gives the same kind of light output with the half the wattage. Also, since it's a combined effort, we are part of the Wipro Consumer Care and Lighting. We have also demonstrated few of our furniture products which we have launched. One is of course a workstation product which we have installed, and some of the new chairs that we have installed. Also some new concepts of lighting which currently are quite getting prevalent, something called as a task lighting, which we have demonstrated here. Downlighters, other than the conventional 2x2 fittings which was gaining popularity, so we have introduced showcased a lot of downlighters. And for this residential purpose also, we have showcased some very economical range of downlighters which people normally change during time of Diwali and all. So overall, it's an attempt which is made to showcase to the industry the kind of products that we give. We are also develop a lot of products for the pharma industry, as Andhra Pradesh is having a lot of pharma industries. So we are one of the biggest suppliers for light fixtures in pharma industry.